more slime.
In this city gripped by fear. A cat in critical condition, evicted in the morning by the savage herd. This, the 27th such attack, comes just 1 week after PPD officer Judy Cox connected the bodies to traditionally predatory animals.
Meanwhile, a peace rally organized by pop star Gazelle was marked by protests.
So they're singing. This is fine.
Is a unique place. It's a crazy, beautiful, diverse city where we celebrate our differences.
Okay, we're gonna go with
This is not the Zootopia I know. The Zootopia I know
it's like
is better than this.
very
We didn't just blindly assemble.
light. It used to be like the dark pink, not this light pink. But not
I
this
don't
one.
know where it's attached
The
to
one I'm
that,
putting it in.
but it is
That one used to be like
possible
lighter,
to make
so
all predators aside.
like but I did my sibling and my sibling just
Cannot let fear divide us. Please, give me back the Zootopia I love.
Like my siblings. Okay, brilliant. He's like on your right. But it was a while ago. No. Just.
What are you doing?
We thought it would be better.
This thing makes my head
Predator,
hurt.
such as
Because it's the
myself,
scent.
wasn't the first face that you see when you walk into this.
This one. No. They're gonna put it
They're
there.
gonna move me to records.
Okay. So I'm still gonna add this one because I can really put it in a pink one. But if I do find a pink one, I'll put it in. Or should I put it in?
I don't understand. Our city is 90% prey, Judy, and right now they're just really scared. You're a hero to them. They trust you. And so that's why Chief Bogo and I want you to be the public face of the ZPD.
Okay, it's time for our pink.
I'm not a hero. I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it.
Don't give yourself so much credit, Hobbs.
Okay,
The world is
I'm
always
putting the lip on too.
Thank you.
So guys,
With all due respect,
this
sir,
is
a
actually
good cop is
I
supposed
guess I'm gonna
to
go
serve
back to
and
my
protect,
YouTube. I didn't really want to post a video because
tear it apart.
I was watching on TV, but then I was like, if I
have
do it
deserved
quick,
this badge.
if I just do it, it would be done. I'll be done with it already soon. Yeah, just
It's what you wanted since you were a kid.
hey guys. I know you guys like to watch
Give
me,
the opportunity.
but I don't really like to make YouTube videos. Sometimes once it actually took me forever like to make one more video. Yeah. Okay, just that. It's fun to make videos.
It doesn't make sense.
Not really,
Honesty.
actually. So I'm gonna put my last one I did. I'm so scared about it.
Hey there, Jude. Jude the Dude. Remember that one? How we
See
doing?
that? So
I'm fine. You are not fine. Your ears are droopy. Why did I think I could make a difference?
Because you're a trier. That's why.
You've always been a trier. Oh, I tried. And it made life so much worse for so many innocent predators.
Not all of them, though. Speak of the devil, right on time.
Is that Gideon Gray?
Yeah, it sure is. We work with him now.
He's our partner, and we never would have considered it had you not opened our minds.
That's right. I mean, Gibbs turned into one of the top pastry chefs in the Tri-Boroughs.
That's really cool, you guys.
okay, I'm gonna add like one more.
Hey, Judy, I'd just like to say I'm sorry for the way I behaved in my youth. I had a lot of self-doubt, and it manifested itself in the form of unchecked rage and aggression. I was a major jerk.
Oh, I never feared you about being a jerk.
Okay, I think
Anyhow, I brought y'all these
a little bit
pies.
bigger because recreate the pin. It just has to go down first.
I need to find Nick. Please.
That's what I'm going to do. The other one I was surprised, but the song.
Oh, Nick.
This.
Night owls aren't wolves. They're toxic flowers. I think someone is targeting predators on purpose and making them go savage.
I forgot I had this in it.
Wait, listen. I know you'll never forgive me, and I don't blame you. I wouldn't forgive me either. I was ignorant and irresponsible and small-minded. The predator shouldn't.
I don't know what's happened to my slime. Maybe it's because of that other slime I put in
But I
here.
can't do it without you.
I don't really know. Oh.
And
I'm
now
so on my counter.
you hate me. And that'll be why. Because I was a horrible friend.
Oh my goodness. It feels like really soft and it feels, it's like a weird texture to like see like feel them. I'm gonna open my slime. And the pink one is actually really weird. Maybe it's because the slime I put in it, but yeah. My other one was like 8 minutes actually. I mean, not 8 minutes. This one's 8 minutes. What made it be so long?
You're so emotional. There, look at deep breath. Are you just gonna steal the pen? Is that what this
I'm
is?
going to stay there, okay? Just wait.
I thought you guys only grew carrots. What's your plan?
Follow the night.
Okay. Out.
Know this guy?
Uh-huh. I told you, I know everybody.
Well, hello, Step Rider. Anything you need, I got. All your favorite movies. I got movies
Okay,
that haven't
get it
been
right.
released yet.
So let's just put some purple in it.
20. Make me an offer. Come on.
Well, look who it is. The Duke of Bootleg.
Listen to you, Wild. You need up down a popsicle or something? Hey, if it isn't Flopsy the
Give me
Cops.
it.
We both know those weren't moldy onions I caught you stealing. What were you gonna do with those night howlers, Weselton?
It's Weaselton. Duke Weaselton. And I ain't talking, Rabbit. And there's nothing you can do to me. You dirty rat. Why you helping her? She's a cop.
And the godmother to my future granddaughter.
I'm gonna leave a Judy.
Ice this weasel.
All right, please. I'll talk. I stole a night house so I could sell it. They offered me, but I couldn't refuse. The money.
And to whom did you sell them?
A ram named Doug. We got a drop spot underground. Just watch him. Doug is the opposite of friendly. He's unfriendly.
I just said something. It's very good to the silence. But I was having Sorry about that, guys. I just got a little bit distracted. Sorry, guys. This is Sharpie, and it's not unconnected. I don't really like the slice, so bye, guys. Sorry for this short video. It's not really short. It was kind of like the other one. No. Bye. Peace out.